You know what that means. Fish sex. That's what it means. Fish sex. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fishy look that has been requested many times. Well, it's been requested like twice, which is many for me. But anyways, that has been requested to me, and the fish is Nemo. So today we're going to be recreating a clownfish, which lives in Nemo land. Actually don't know a lot about clownfish, but as we go through, we will together learn about clownfish and how to recreate that on the face. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, obviously, we are going to be priming with Bite a Booty. This is actually my favorite primer right now because it is a water-based primer, and usually I don't use anything water-based. I use a lot of oil-based stuff. Even if my face is combination, I feel like oil-based stuff, it doesn't clog my pores, but it makes my face a little bit more dewy, which I really like. But I like this primer because I put a lot of shiz on my face. So, shiz, not jizz. Wow, this is R-rated. Okay, the leads. Alright, let's prime. It's my Urban Decay. This is normally what I prime with. Put it on, put it on. In with the brush. Today I'm going to be using Norvina's small mini palette. I'm going to be using Norvina's mini palette, and I'm pretty excited because I didn't dabble in this. I just been playing with like kind of the bigger palettes, but I also got the mini palette, so I'll see if I can get a lot of use out of it. I do think it's like a very colorful palette. There isn't any colors here that are neutral, so it's very hard to like use this just as an everyday unless you're gonna like build with this color right here and just like use that in the outer corner, blend it in, and do like very simple eye look. But today we're gonna use orange, and this has a bright orange, so we're gonna dip into it. This video we're gonna be creating this. I'm gonna build on with this one right here and this one and kind of go between these two. The light orange is really pretty. This guy, the clownfish, is a little bit yellow in the inner corner, so I want to go ahead and kind of put a little bit more yellow inner corner and then gradation to the orange. Laga. Oh, it is bright. Okay, girl. Ooh, orange. I look like citrus. Okay. Now I'm going to, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm going to go in and put kind of yellow in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna put on the yellow, and I'm gonna put on the yellow from the bigger palette, this one right here. Alright, it's looking pretty good. And I'm gonna put in kind of a mix between this orange and then like a darker red, and I'm just gonna kind of mix them together because I kind of swatched it and I feel like this palette looks really pretty like this, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's put it on the crease there. So I feel like Nemo has a stripe like in the beginning, like right after his eye, and then, you know, in the middle, and then at the end. So I'm gonna try that. Alright, while I'm blending, let me give you some fish facts. So clownfish are in warmer waters in the Indian, including the Red Sea and Pacific Ocean, and they're at the Great Barrier Reef because they live in a lot of sea anemones. How do you say that word? Now for the liner. The largest and the most aggressive female is found at the top, and only two fish, male and female, in a group reproduce through external fertilization. You know what that means. Fish sex. That's what it means. Fish sex. Yes. Okay, and then I'm gonna just draw. Nemo does have like a little bit of black lines along the white lines, but what I want to do is, because it's not that consistent, like sometimes they're lined and sometimes they aren't, I'm just gonna put it like just in place to place. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna do the kind of under eye in orange and yellow as well, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be back. Ooh, yeah. See? Ooh, yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This totally looks like Nemo, and I'm just very proud that this finally. I'm using Bite Beauty. This is my new favorite foundation right now. I've been obsessed with it, so I'm just gonna kind of dab it on because I have so many colors. I can't like directly put it from my face or my hand, because then, what am I saying? Anyways, I'm putting it on. But I do have to go in, I'm using Tarte, but I do have to go in and kind of like get in those problem areas. Because girl, I've been having a lot of skin problems lately and I don't know what's going on. If you know, then please tell me in the comments below. Because I don't know how to balance my hormones. I feel like you've seen me do this a million times, so I'm not gonna explain. But I'm contouring my face to make me look a little more like a lady. Make me look like a lady. Then, because I want to really show that I am 100% dedicated to being a clownfish, I'm gonna contour a little bit more with the bright ass orange. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna go in with kind of a very sparkly yellow. This looks white, but it is a little bit more, has a little bit more yellow tint, so I'm gonna go in with that and kind of go right here and drag it out on my nose bridge. Bring that nose out, because most of the time it's like a turtle, you know, it's like there's no nose available. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sen Beauty. It's in color Astral, and I'm gonna put this on my lips. And I think I'm gonna mix it with Astral and Loving, because Astral is like a little more orange and then Loving is a little more red, and so I want to kind of mix them together and create that perfect like bright orange. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look. I love the Nemo challenge. I mean, it was a little hard to be honest, but I mean, look at the highlight is like, wow, this is gonna be like my new favorite highlight. I think I might just wear it like for an everyday, but it's actually an eyeshadow like from the Norvina palette, and I just love the orange. It's just amazing. I'm so happy about how it came out, and even the white, like I really like it. The only thing about the white, the Suva Beauty liners, because my eyelids fold up, when I put it in the crease, you have to let it completely dry or else it will kind of smudge. And when I tried to put on lash glue on top of it, the white one, it didn't stick as well. And I don't know if because my lash glue sucked or whatever, but I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this look. I absolutely enjoyed, and it was very challenging, so let me know what fish I should do next. But I think clownfish, we got it. Yes. Alright y'all, please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Please leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you get a notification every time I upload a new fishy look. Until next time.